Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Asurat Pratik. So from today we are going to start a new series. The series name is we are going to convert the lead code SQL problems into Pyspark database. So here you can find on the Leetcode website you can find the SQL problems here. Okay, so we are going to convert these problems convert the solutions into Pyspark data frames. Okay, so I have not purchased the date code, so I have just signed in. So these are the important like questions here. You can find these easy, difficulty, medium kind of questions. So we are looking one by one. So these questions, for that I have already logged in with my Databricks account. Here you can find. Then I have created my compute here, one cluster here. Here you can find. Then also I have created a workspace. So let code is equal to PySpark. Okay. So this is the first notebook. Okay. So to avoid time, I have already downloaded a SQL solutions to because I haven't purchased a lead code, so that's why mm, we are taking the examples like problems from here this PDF file. So I will also give in the description. Okay. So we are starting from the basic questions like one by one, from lead code questions. Okay, here you can find the basic question like easy and difficulty level. So we'll first take the question 175 for combining two tables. Okay, so let's go to the PDF. So combining two tables here, you can see there is a table person, column name and type. So let me go down. Okay, so there is a person ID, first name, last name. There are the three columns. Then there is another table like address. In that table there is a address ID, person ID, city, state. Okay, so we have to write a SQL query for the report that provides the following information like person in the person table, then first name, last name, city, and state. So here we have to join these two tables and fetch the results like these columns. So I am going directly to Databricks. Okay, so here I have created the two tables like two data frames. Here you can find. So I have used DDL format to define the schema. Okay, so you can also define your data in schema like in a struct type kind of struct type. So I have also defined in DDL format. There you can find the p schema. I have defined the person ID, integer, first name, last name. Then the person table data. Here I have given the data like arrays in array format, the picture one. Then I have defined a data frame, created a data frame. Then I have passed the schemas. So if you know the how to basic kind of things like how to create this create a data frame, so it will going to be easy. So below that there is a address table like it's a address data frame. Here I have passed the address ID, then person ID, city, state. Okay, here I have passed the data. Let me show you first the data frames. So I'm going to run it. Mm, Okay, so we run this code. Here you can find there are the two data frames, the person df and the address df. Here you can find the person ID, first name, last name, then address ID. So these are two data frames I have created. Then let's go to the directly to the query. Okay, so here we have to write the SQL query for report that provides following information like first name, last name, city, state. So for that we have to, so there is a solution here you can find if you know the SQL. You select first name, last name, city, state from person P. Then here uh, they have done the left join to address table on the person ID. So let's go to our code. So I'm going to create a one new data frame called data frame result res. Here I'm going to take person there. On that I'm going to do a join. Then you have to give the other data frame that you have to join on that address here. Then person def dot pr person id. Then you have to give the one which column you are going to join, and equal to address def dot pr person id. Okay. Then we have to define the join type. So here I'm going to do the left join. Okay, so let's check first. There, it's run it now. Okay, here you can find the table, two data frames are joined on the person id. Then you got the first name, last name, matrix id, person id. Because we are using here the left join, that's why we're getting the three values only. Because in the first person def there is only three ids. Okay, so now let's go to here. We want the first name, last name, city and state. Okay, so you can do select and first name, then you can do last name, then city. So this is not a case sensitive. So like here you can find there is city in a small. So I'll give in caps. Let us check. Then the state. So state. Okay. So let run. Okay, so we got the desired output like first name, last name, city, and state. So this is the basic transformation. So this is a basic, simple query, easy query where we have transformed the SQL code into Pyspark data frame. So guys, if you like the video, please share this. You can subscribe the channel and like the video. Till now, thank you.